Alright, we're gonna open up this OneScreen6 OPS i5 so that we can switch out the SSD. You're gonna have 2 screws. This one had a little sticker over it, but I tore through it right now. I'm gonna take off this one. And this one next. So let go, it pops open, it bounces. So I'm just gonna pull up and then away. So we're gonna have 2 sets of screws, one on this side and one on this side. I'm just gonna take these out. You don't have to take them all the way out, but I like to. And that'll be for the right side. Leave it like that. Then the left side. Alright, next we have 4 silver screws. 1, 2, 3. And our 4th one is right up here. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out those. 1. Next one. 2. I'll go for this top one next, right behind the wire. That'll be screw number 3, and then the 4th one is right there. That's all 4 screws out. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna lift up and try to get it off the frame. There we go. Got one part. Just be very careful. Got 2, and you have 2 wires connected, so you want to be very, very careful. As I'm picking up from the back, I'm also trying to jimmy it from here in the front. There we go. Now it's completely loose. Okay, so the next thing, now that it's free, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it very carefully, but like I said, because of the wires, I want want to turn it over just slowly. And we'll have the SSD right there. I'll go ahead and take off the silver screw. Once I take it off, it's going to pop up, and then I can just remove it. If you have the new one, all you're going to do is put it on, lay it down gently, and put in the screw. Then we're just going to flip it over, and we're going to jimmy it back to where it was. And then we'll just put in reverse order. Screw in the, once it pops in, let me get it just a little bit lifted in the front to go over. Go. Got one side. There we go. Second side. And you'll see, because the holes, they line up. There's a little like posts that it goes on. So now I have to put in my 4 screws. Here's one. Here's 2. Right next to the antenna, here's 3. Right here next to this wire, that'll be 4. Now, if yours is like mine and nice and dusty, you might want to take a can of air to it, or if you have a compressor, just spray it out on a low PSI, and that'll be it. You just got to put on the top. We're going to go in with these tabs. They're going to go in at an angle. There we go. And then it bounces. We just simply close it up. Put in one screw. And then second screw. Then you just put your sides back on. One, 2. That's it. It's good to go.